and welcome to today's video. Now you must be wondering that why are we in the kitchen? Well, so I am going to show you how to make a super easy DIY home air freshener. This one is almost all natural and it smells amazing, and I'm pretty sure you have all the ingredients in your kitchen already. So I guess let's get started. I'll show you what all you need and then we'll dive right into it. Okay, so these are all the ingredients that you would need. First of all, you need some lemons. My lemon has moved here. Okay, so first of all, you need some lemon, lime, whatever you have. Of course, you do not need a full lemon. If you have squeezed some lemons, then you can use the peel. I have this one, it was about to dry and I just used in the morning, so I thought I'll just reuse this one. You need some peels of any citrus food. Now you can use any one of them if you don't have both, or you can use both. You need some cinnamon. If you have the real cinnamon, then you can use that, or else you can manage with the powder as I'm doing. I also like to use some vanilla essence that you can totally skip, but this makes everything come together and it smells really good. Okay, so I'm going to first turn on the stove on high, and we're just going to add water. Now you can add water as much as you want, because we are anyway going to sim it for really long. So make sure that you add a lot of water. Your ingredients should not burn, so that's very important. I have already added my water. Flame is on high, and now we are going to start adding our ingredients. I'm going to start with the main ingredient, which is peel. This is orange peel. We actually made a juice I think 2 days back, and I saved this peel. So I'm just going to add it to the water. Okay, so here is the water. I've already added some peels. I'm going to add a few more. As we all know, that citrus is really good, not only for our health, but it also kind of refreshes the entire mood of the house. It attracts good vibes. So that is that. Now I'm going to add some lemon. Now this is the lemon that I use in the morning, so you don't really have to use a fresh lemon. If you already have a pre-cut one, then you can use that. All I'm going to do is chop it a little. Add small pieces of lemon. It's time to add some cloves. I'm using about 4-5 cloves. So add that. Next, you can add your cinnamon sticks if you have them. I'm using the cinnamon powder. So we're going to add some vanilla essence, which is optional, but it smells really good. So I'm going to add a little here. Okay, done. As you can see, the water has started to boil, so I'm just going to mix it. And I feel that my pot can use a little more water, so I'm just adding more water. So your freshener is already ready. All you have to do is go about your day and let this thing simmer for, I would say, 15-20 minutes. And after 15-20 minutes, your entire house is going to smell like freshly baked like bread or cookies or something freshly baked. Okay, so let's just wait for a bit, and then I'll show you what to do with the leftovers so that you don't end up wasting them as well. Once this is simmering for a few minutes and your family starts asking you what are you baking, what is happening in the kitchen, that is the time when you need to switch it off, and then you will transfer it into a different bowl. So here is our DIY air freshener. We are going to transfer it into a bowl like that. While I'm doing this, I'm getting so hungry because it smells amazing. It smells almost like you're making orange cinnamon bread. Okay, so now that we have our air freshener ready, it is super warm. So there are two things that you can do. First of all, you can keep it in your living room somewhere in the center of the house so that it keeps smelling amazing. But if you are not up for it, or if you feel that it's too strong, then second thing that I actually like to do is then you can pour all the liquid in different like wash basins and places like that, so that everything smells amazing. What happens is generally, I'll just keep this down. What happens generally is that in sinks and basins, it kind of smells funky. So if you pour this liquid inside that, then that will solve the problem of smelling funky or bad. Once you're all done with this, just pour the liquid in your basins and they will smell amazing. Okay, so that was all for today's video. I hope you liked my DIY air freshener recipe. Alright guys, that was all for today's video. I really hope you liked my DIY air freshener recipe. If you have any of yours, please do share in the comment section below. And I guess I will see you in my next video then. Bye guys.